Hey guys, I'm Ava and I wanted to come on here to review these pots that were sent to me to review. We got a little bit of a smaller one here. You can see, you can compare the sizes. So you got a pretty good size difference. And they both come with lids here with like this wood handle here that you can use, and they all came like disassembled, but it's really easy to screw everything together. There's all the parts, so you didn't just get a screwdriver and screw it all together. And then same with the handles. The handles were not connected to the pot when it came, but really easy to put together, and it feels really nice and sturdy now that they're together. You get an option to tighten it if it starts to loosen, but I haven't had an issue with that. But it's like you see the material, it's not like a plastic, or it's really lightweight. I have water in here, so I was gonna see how it does on the heat. I was gonna boil some water. Same for the smaller one here. I was gonna boil some water in this one, and it has a little hole here to let the moisture escape, so I really like that that has that. You can see the little design on the pot here. It has these little speckles on there. It looks really cute with this wood looking material. Yeah, it's really nice and neutral and modern looking. Okay, so the water is starting to boil. You can see here it didn't take very long at all. Same for the smaller pot. You can see the bottom's holding up really well after that. No marks or anything, it didn't melt. You see it's pretty good quality. It's nice and sturdy. I haven't noticed any chipping or anything. So if you're thinking about getting these pots, I definitely recommend them.